Hello everyone. Today, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do your homework. First, go to your online classroom. Click on CLB2 afternoon class. Scroll down and click on teacher messages. Scroll down and click on Tuesday, January 12th. Scroll down. First, click on this link here to watch this video. When you finished watching, click on vocab food. Today you're going to learn vocabulary, food vocabulary. So click here. Okay, so you're going to learn food vocabulary today. You're going to learn about fruits and vegetables, more fruits and vegetables, bread and meat, dairy, eggs, and more. So you need to click here. Now when you click, you can maximize your page. You can listen and repeat. Blueberries. When you study all the words, you can click on match up one. And then you have to drag and drop. When you finished, check your answers and go back. Match up two. So cabbage. Check your answers. Go back. Match up three. Again, cabbage. Drag and drop. Check your answers. Go back and fill in. So apples. Check your answers and go back. See, there's a mistake here. And finally, dictation. So write lettuce. Check your answers and go back. Close the window. Go back. Scroll down. Click on the next link again. So same thing. Maximize your window. Study the words. Click on match up one, match up two, match up three. When you're finished, close the window, go back, scroll down, study about bread and meat, and then dairy, eggs, and more. So again, click here. It's the same thing. You can maximize your window, study the word, but then match up one, match up two, match up three, fill in, dictation, close the window, and go back. When you've finished learning the vocabulary, you're going to write sentences. So what food do you like? For example, I like apples. What food do you like? Write your sentences in your notebooks. 5 sentences. What food don't you like? For example, I don't like oranges. What about you? Write 5 sentences again in your notebooks. And finally, write a shopping list of food you like. So you want to go shopping? What food do you like? Write a shopping list. So write 5 sentences. Food you like. 5 sentences. food you don't like, and then a shopping list of food you like. Write in your notebooks, take a picture, and email it to me. Thank you.